Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn the chapter triangles. Sir has done up to third exercise. Now we are going to continue the triangles chapter. Okay. Still now you have learned only equalities of a triangle. Like, see here, similar ASA triangle, side triangle. Okay. If three sides are equal, okay, like this you have learned means equality. One side, one angle, one another side are equal. Like this you have learned equality of a triangle. Means by comparing the equality like congruency. By comparing the equality you have derived and proved the triangles are equal, the triangles are congruent, the triangles are similar. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to now we are learning inequalities of a triangle. Inequalities of a triangle. What is meant by inequalities of a triangle? Unequal. Like see here, line AB is less than line CD, which is an inequality. Line AB is less than CD, which is an inequality. Which is an inequality. Angle a is less than angle B. Angle A is less than angle B. This is also unequal. This is also unequal. If I change AB and CD values, this becomes AB is which is longer side here greater than CD. AB is greater than CD. Okay, this is called unequal sides and unequal angles. Still now you have learned equal sides and equal angles. A formula and side angle side rule. Side SSS, SKS, AAA. Okay, you have learned all these rules, but here all are unequal. Like sides, angles will be unequal. Next, what we have to prove? What we have to prove? We will, while solving the problems, we will come to know. Now, before that, we have to learn three theorems. Come to page number 103. In that, theorem 5.6. Theorem 5.6. What is the given is, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Don't take larger because larger becomes confusing. So I am taking greater. Greater angle, longer side. Greater angle, longer side. Greater angle, longer side. Just remember these two words. Greater angle, longer side. See here. What is the given? If two sides of a triangle are unequal, any two sides. See here. I am taking a triangle. This is of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. ABC. If two sides means AB and BC. AB and BC are unequal. If two sides of a triangle are unequal means not equal, everything it comes. Are unequal, then what happens? The angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Which is the longest side here? AC is the longest side. Okay, AC is the longest side. If AB and BC are unequal, the angle opposite to the longer side. The angle opposite to the longer side is angle B. Angle B is greater. See here, which is the greater angle? B is the greater angle. Suppose this is 40. This is 50. This will be how much? 100. Okay. Which is the longest side here? sorry, longest angle, greater angle is 100, which is opposite to the longest side. Okay, what is the given condition or given what is this theorem says? If these two sides are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longest side will be greater. The angle opposite to the longest side will be greater angle. Greater angle means which is the large angle. Got this? This is the theorem 5.6 says. 5.7 is converse of this. If B is greater, means B is the greater angle, then AC is the largest side. Then AC is the longest side or largest side. Anyone you can tell. If B is the greater angle, then AC is the longest side. This is the converse of 5.6. Next 5.7 is there, no? That is converse of this theorem. Means reverse of this theorem. What this 5.6 says? AB and BC are unequal. There is another side. Three sides are there for a triangle. If AC is the longest side, then B is the greater angle. If AC is the longest side, the angle opposite to this angle is greater. Suppose I am writing this. Suppose I am writing a triangle like this, A, B, C. Which is the longest side here? BC is the longest side. Which is the greater angle? Obviously this angle, which is 90-degree angle. This will be 45, this will be 45. Either 45, 50, whatever you want. Okay, 90, 40, 90, 180. Sorry, this will be, take it. And this is also 40. 50, 40, then it will be 90. Okay. The angle opposite to the longest side will be greater angle. Here 50, 40, 90. Which is the greatest one? 90 is the greatest one. Here 40, 40, 100. Which is the greatest one? B is the greatest one. This is theorem 5.6 says. Next. This is converse of this. I have already said theorem 5.7. In a triangle, in any triangle, the longer side, the side opposite to the greater angle is longer. The side opposite to the greater angle is longer. Means the reverse of 5.6. If there is a triangle ABC, I am writing here. If there is a triangle ABC, in any triangle, the side opposite to the greater angle. This is the side opposite to the greater angle, which is the longest side. See, just remember one thing. Side is there. If it is the longest side, this will be the greater angle. If this is the greater angle, then this will be the longest side. Only 2 points you have to remember in these two. If it is longest, this is greater. This is greater, this is the longest side. Clear? Okay. Next. Just remember these two. This is greater, this is longer. Longer, greater. Next. 5.8. Theorem 5.8. Next. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This is the condition of what? Condition of a triangle. This is the condition of a triangle. The sum of The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than greater than greater than the third side. Greater than the third side. See here, there is a triangle like 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Okay. What is this condition says? AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Any two sides, take BC, I will take here. Take BC plus AC is greater than AB. Any two sides. See here. What is AB? 3. What is BC? 4. 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. Greater than 5. This is the condition. Means if you add any two sides, third will be the less one. These, if you add any two sides, that is greater than the third side. If you add any two sides, this is greater than the third side. If you add any two sides, these two are greater than the third side. What is BC? That is 4. What is AC? 5. He is greater than AB. True or false? 4 plus 5. 9 is greater than this, which is true. This is also true. 5 plus 3. 8. 8 is greater than 4. This is also true. This is the condition of a triangle. See, if there is a triangle, then it should be, if you add those two triangles, then it will be greater than third side. If you add any two sides of a triangle, then that should be greater than the third side. Got this? If, see here, if, okay, did you understand this? I am taking a triangle which is 3, 3 and 6. 3 plus 3, see here, 3 plus 3, 6, which is greater than 6. No. Then this doesn't form a triangle. This doesn't form a triangle. Got this? This doesn't form a triangle. That's why what we have to, what is the condition? Any two sides, the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay. By using these three theorems, we can start the exercise. Example 9, you only do it. What it is there, that is the solution. Next, take exercise 5.4, first question. Exercise 5.4, first question. Exercise 5.4, first question. Okay. See here, what they have given is, show that in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. Obviously, hypotenuse is the longest side. We know that. In a right angle triangle, what will be the, means we have not completed trigonometry, so you don't know the hypotenuse, I think. See here, exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4, first question. This is the right angle triangle. How will be the right angle triangle? It is having a 90 degree. Okay. Which is the greater angle here? 90. Suppose this is 45, 45. This will be 90. Which is the greatest angle here? B is the greatest angle. The angle opposite to the AC is the longest side. This is the longest side. This is the greater angle. Here what we have to prove is AC is the longest side. AC is the longest side. By seeing only we can tell AC is the longest side. Okay. Now see, I am writing the proof. ABC, given that ABC is a right angle triangle such that at B. Therefore, if B is equal to 90 degree, A plus B is equal to C. Some otherwise we will do like this. We know that. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degree. We know that sum of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. What is B here? 90 plus C is, we don't know. Therefore, A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90. What is A plus C? 90 degree. Take this equation as 1. Okay, means if this is 90, 180 minus 90 is the remaining A plus C. 180 minus 90 is the remaining A plus C. Got this? Okay. Next. Now angles A and C are each less than 90 degree. Obviously, A and C are less than 90 degree. Obviously, A and C are less than 90 degree. Whereas B is equal to only B is 90 degree. But here A and C are both, sum is 90 degree. Okay. By using these two, we can write B is greater than A and angle C is greater than B is greater than C. See, B is 90, B is greater than A angle and B is greater than C angle. B is greater than C angle. Okay. Now, angle B opposite side is AC. Angle B opposite side is AC. Angle A opposite side is here. Opposite side is BC. Angle A opposite side is BC. Like this you have to write. Angle B opposite side is AC. And angle C opposite side is AB. So AC is greater than BC. AC is greater than AB. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can say that hypotenuse is this is 2 and this is 3. Therefore, from 2 and 3, what is AC? AC is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, from 2 and 3, AC is the hypotenuse AC. Take hypotenuse AC is the longest side. See here, what we have done is this is here, right here, sides opposite to the greater angles is longer. To the greater angles is longer. How we wrote this is from theorem 5 point, sides opposite to the greater, from theorem 5.7, side opposite to the 5.7, theorem 5.7. See here, what we have done is take a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. Largest side is called hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Only in a right angle triangle. not in equilateral scalene. Okay. Let AC is the hypotenuse. What is the given? ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Means B is equal to 90 degree. They have given. This is the given. This is the given. Okay. Now we know that sum of a triangle is 180. If this is 90, 180 minus 90 is 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. Therefore, A plus B is equal to how much? 90 degree. A plus C is equal to 90 degree. Now, by this we can tell B is 90, A plus C is 90. Means two angles sum is 90. Here only one angle is 90. Therefore, B is greater than A, B is greater than C. B is greater than A, B is greater than C. Okay. Next, we have to write the sides opposite to these angles. The sides opposite to these angles. B opposite side is AC. A opposite side is BC. B opposite side is AC. C opposite side is AB. C opposite side is AB. From how? From 5.7. From 5.7 means the sides opposite to the greater angle is longer. Means opposite to C is AB, opposite to B is AC, and opposite to A is BC. Okay. Here AC is greater than BC. Again AC is greater than AB. These two angles. AC is greater than these two sides. Therefore, AC is the longest side. Therefore, AC is the longest side. Did you understand this? Huh? Okay. Next. In figure 5.48, sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. Also, angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Show that AC is greater than AB. Show that AC is greater than AB. Now, take second problem. Did you understand this? There is nothing. So take second problem. Draw the figure. Shall I erase? Next. What is the figure? This is the figure. A, B, C. A, B. What we have to prove? AC, obviously this is the longest side. AC is greater than AB. We have to prove this. AC is greater than AB. Write down. Is greater than AB. Given is, what is the given? Angle P, where is P here? P, this is the Q. Okay, P, Q. Is it visible in angle? What we have to do? AC is greater than AB. No need to write. Anyhow, you know AC is greater than AB. This is point P and this is point Q. Okay. Which is the longest side here? AC is the longest side. Okay. Now write the proof. Write the proof. Proof. See, for problems you are going to write solution. Second question. Okay. For proofs we have to write as proof. Angle ABC, write down letter L. Angle PBC is equal to 180 degree. I will write in the below because we have to write something in the bracket. Angle ABC plus PBC is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Linear pair means sum of two angles is 180 degree. Sum of two angles is 180 degree. ABC plus PBC is equal to what? 180 degree. Linear pair means what? Like this. See here. This angle plus this angle is equal to how much? Straight line. 180 degree. Like this. Angle ABC plus PBC is equal to 180 degree. This can also be written as angle ABC is equal to, take this to the right side, 180 minus PBC. 180 minus PBC, take this equation as 1. Again to this side. Again ACB plus QCB. ACB plus QCB is equal to 180 degree, again by using linear pair. Similarly, angle ACB plus QCB is equal to 180 degree. That is by linear pair. Again same thing. Send this QCB to the right hand side. Send this QCB to the right hand side. What will you get? ACB is equal to 180 minus angle QCB. Take this equation as 2. Okay. Given that, again given in the question, see. In the question, angle PBC is less than, given angle PBC in the question, second question, is less than QCB. Now what we have to do is, we have to convert this in equation 1 and 2. 180 minus we should multiply. 180 minus we should multiply. What will it happen is, see, if you multiply negative sign, the less than becomes greater than. Multiply minus sign on both sides. Minus QCB. Angle. Multiply minus sign on both sides. Shall I write here? I am writing here. Multiply minus sign on both sides. Then less than becomes greater than. This is the condition. QCB minus QCB. Sorry. It is minus QCB. Therefore, less than becomes greater than. This becomes minus QCB. Multiplying minus sign because we have to convert this into this PBC and QCB into these two forms. Okay. Now add 180. Add 180 degree on both sides. It becomes, now no need to change sign. Only if you multiply negative symbol, then only the value becomes less than. If it is less than, then it becomes greater than. If it is greater than, then it becomes less than. 180 minus, then the sign does not change. QCB. Okay. From equation 1 and 2, 180 minus PBC is written as ABC, and second equation is 180 minus QCB is written as ACB. Okay. Now from 1 and 2, 180 minus, I will write in the middle because this is important. From equation 1 and 2. What is equation 1? 180 minus PBC can be written as ABC, and 180 minus QCB can be written as ACB. Is greater than ACB. What is the angle here? ABC? ABC. ABC. Which is the greatest side? Angle opposite to B is AC. And ACB. Here angle opposite to C is AB. So AC is the largest side which we want to show. AC is greater than AB. Hence proved. There is nothing in this. Take linear pair of these two and these two. Means ABC plus PBC is equal to 180, and transform this, you will get equation 1. ACB plus QCB is equal to equation 2. When you multiply minus the sign, then the less than becomes greater than. This you have to remember. Less than becomes greater than. Next, add 180 on both sides. The symbol does not changes for adding. Only if you multiply or divide a negative sign, then only the sign changes. Less than or greater than symbol changes. From 1 and 2, we can write this as ABC and this as ACB. ABC opposite side is AC and ACB opposite side is AB. Obviously, AC is greater than AB, which we want to prove. This is from theorem. Okay. This is also from theorem 5.7. From theorem 5.7. Means angles opposite to sides opposite to greater angle. Here I am writing C. Sides opposite to greater angle are longer. This is from theorem 5.7. Both are same. 5.7. This is from theorem 5.7. Okay. Next. Third question. This is also very easy. In figure 5.49, angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. Show that AD is less than BC. AD is less than BC. Next. Inequalities only we are proving. Means AC is greater than AB. Angle is greater than another angle. Like that only inequalities we are proving what? We are proving inequalities of a triangle. Next. Given figure. Wait, I will draw the figure. Which is the figure here? In figure 5.49. This is only the figure. This is the figure. O, A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D. These four are the angles. Okay. B is less than A given. Angle D is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. This is the given. See, there is a difference between angle and less than symbol. This is angle. This is angle. This is less than symbol. This is less than symbol. So why are you getting what am I writing? If you don't know, I will write again. I am spelling the words. Angle B is less than angle A. Angle A. If I write straight, it becomes right angle. That's why I am writing like this. And another is given. And angle C is less than angle D. Now you got this. Angle C is less than angle D. Again I am writing C. Angle C is less than angle D. Okay. From this, what we can prove? Show that AD is greater than BC. Sorry, AD is less than BC. Which is the longest side here? This is the longest side. See, I will write here. This is the longest side. AD is the shortest side and BC is the longest side, which we have to prove. Now, see here. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2, which is given. Okay. See here. Which is the given. Now, what is angle B? Angle B. Angle B opposite side is AO. Angle B opposite side is AO. Angle A opposite side is BO. Angle B opposite side is BO. Similarly, angle C opposite side is DO or OD. Okay. Angle C opposite side is OD. And angle D opposite side is CO. Angle D opposite side is CO. Got this? AO, BO, BO and CO. We have to write the opposite sides. These two are the given. Now, take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Okay, add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. How will you write this? How did you write this? Sides opposite to greater angle are longer. Similarly, 5.7. Sides opposite to greater angle are longer. Theorem 5.7. This one. How did you write opposite angles? By using 5.7. Add 1 plus 2. What happens? AO plus DO is less than BO plus CO. What is AO plus DO? AO plus DO is written as AD. AO plus DO is written as AD from figure. Okay. And BO plus CO. BO plus CO can be written as BC. BO plus CO can be written as BC. Which we have to prove. Simple. Okay. Which we have to prove. Understood? AO plus given is B is, this is the given, B is less than A, B, AO, okay, good. Next, this is what we want to prove, AD is less than BC. Did you understand? Only 2 steps, given, write the opposite sides, add, you will get the answer. Given, write the opposite sides, add these 2, you will get the answer. Okay. Next, shall I erase this? So in next class, I am going to continue the 4th and 5th problem. Okay, for today this is enough. Next, I think they have science class. Tomorrow I will continue the 4th and 5th problem. Okay, thank you.